In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can freeze a frame in DaVinci Resolve 20. So in your timeline here, move your playhead to where you want to freeze a frame, maybe here, and then right-click your clip and choose Retime Controls or use Control Command R. Now, Retime Controls gives you the option, as you can see nothing has changed now, but it gives you the option to click this downward arrow and then choose to freeze a frame. Now when you've frozen the frame, as you can see here, we have a frozen part. So when I press play, now it's frozen and then it continues again. You have the ability to make this one bigger or smaller. Just be aware that when using your selection tool and doing this, as you can see, it now overrides our second clip here. So I'm going to Control Command Z. If I take my trim edit tool and I make it bigger, it pushes the other clip away. So be sure to be mindful of that. If you do not want to override any other clips next to the clip you're manipulating, be sure to use the trim edit tool if you want to make it bigger or smaller. And then as you can see, our frozen frame is now bigger. It lasts longer. And then it continues again. You also have this here. It's now frozen. You can remove it and you can reset it and you can do all those things. So every time you want to freeze something, just go to the point where you want to freeze it. And then with the selection tool, right click your clip and then choose the Retime Controls. And the Retime Controls lets you add a frozen frame. So right here, I have a frozen frame here. If I want to add a second one, I just click the drop down arrow again and choose freeze frame. And now I have a second frozen frame. And that's how you can easily add frozen frames in DaVinci Resolve 20. Let me know in the comments below if you liked the video. Like it if you did. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.